Black holes, the enigmatic titans of the cosmos, are among the most feared and fascinating entities in the universe. These regions of space-time, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape, often lie dormant for eons, silently waiting for the next chapter in their cosmic saga. When a star system ventures too close, the black hole awakens from its slumber, transforming into a voracious predator that reshapes the destiny of everything in its reach. The process begins subtly, as the gravitational pull of the black hole begins to affect the orbits of nearby celestial bodies. Planets, moons, and asteroids are nudged off course, creating chaos in a previously stable system. The central star, a luminous beacon anchoring the system, begins to feel the black hole's presence. Its once stable energy output starts to waver as the gravitational tug distorts its shape, pulling it into an oblong spheroid. As the black hole's influence grows stronger, the star is drawn inexorably closer, its outer layers stripped away in a cosmic game of tug-of-war. This phenomenon, known as tidal disruption, tears apart the star's outer atmosphere, sending streams of superheated gas spiraling toward the event horizon. The gas forms an accretion disk, a brilliant whirlpool of matter that glows intensely as it is heated to millions of degrees. This dazzling display is paradoxically beautiful and destructive, a radiant signal announcing the black hole's feast to the universe. The planets of the system, no longer bound by the star's gravity, are flung into interstellar space or pulled toward the black hole's maw. The once ordered orbits dissolve into chaos, with collisions and catastrophic disruptions scattering debris across light years. The black hole's gravitational influence extends far beyond its immediate surroundings, creating a deadly zone where no object can remain stable. As the star's core is finally consumed, the black hole emits powerful jets of high-energy particles, ejected at nearly the speed of light. These relativistic jets blast through space, carrying the signatures of the destruction and signaling the end of the star system's existence. The energy released is so immense that it can outshine entire galaxies, a final requiem for the obliterated system. As the black hole finishes its feast, it enters a quiescent phase, returning to its dormant state as it awaits its next victim. The once vibrant star system, filled with planets, moons, and the potential for life, is reduced to an empty void, with only faint remnants of its past glory scattered in the vastness of space. Yet, even in this destruction, the black hole serves as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe, where creation and annihilation are inextricably linked, and the cosmic dance continues unabated.